let's be honest, breakfast ain't breakfast without eggs. Eggs Benedict with ham on croissants. Forget toast. This is a weekend treat. With an easy homemade hollandaise sauce, it's ready in 20 minutes. Let's get to it. Starting with a list of ingredients and kitchen utensils you'll need, pause the video right here and screenshot this. Timing can be tricky for a dish like this, so we're going to make it easy by getting the hollandaise sauce ready first. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl, pick out the yolks and let the white run through your fingers. You can save the egg whites and use them in an omelette. Roll out the lemon on a work surface to release the juices inside. Slice down the middle, and once again, we're using 1/4 of the lemon. Squeeze it into the mix through your fingers to catch any pips. Add 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This gives the sauce a lovely kick. If you're using English mustard, then just use a tiny amount. Add a dash of hot sauce or chili seasoning. Mix it up with your whisk or blender for a couple seconds. Now to melt the butter. This can be done on the stove or in a microwave. On a stove, use a medium heat until it's all melted. Don't let the butter bubble. In a microwave, heat it up for 20 seconds at a time or until you see it's just melted. Pour the melted butter slowly into the mix whilst blending. Because the butter's hot, it can curdle the egg yolks if you add it too quickly. Introducing the heat slowly will allow the sauce to emulsify instead of scramble. You can set the sauce aside for now. Now for the poached eggs. Grab a small saucepan, fill it with water and salt, bring it up to a boil. Once it's boiling, drop the heat to medium, let the bubbles disperse. Create a mini whirlpool. Crack the egg and gently drop it in the center. You could also crack the egg into a small bowl or mug and then gently pour it in that way. The whirlpool is going to help the eggs stay nice and together. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Once it's done, grab it out with a spoon, lay it down on a paper towel. Bring the water back up to the boil and then repeat the process with the second egg. Lay the croissants flat, slice through the middle. Toast them in a hot pan or under a grill if you wish. This should only take a minute or two. Since croissants are 50% butter, when they're toasted, it's going to caramelize and it will smell fantastic. Now we're ready to plate up. Tear up slices of your ham, lay them down on the croissants. Gently place the poached eggs. Hit it with some salt and pepper. And then spoon on that rich, silky hollandaise sauce. Be generous with it, it tastes amazing and there's plenty to save for another day. And there you have a delicious, luxurious breakfast. Treat yourself with this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. In the next video, I'll show you another breakfast recipe where you can use the leftover hollandaise sauce. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that one. Check out my top tip for perfect boiled eggs, a foolproof way to getting them right every time. I hope to see you soon.